Hi guys, today we're going to talk about rejuvenating a caravan. I had the privilege of helping out a family member who had a very rundown caravan, and it did have quite a lot of mould in it. So to start off with, we cleaned it down a couple of times with the appropriate mould killer, and then we put a primer on it which was well suited to painting over the top of mould and that sort of thing to hold it back. Unfortunately, I don't have that product to show you. And then we went over it with semi-gloss enamel, and that was just to help with the washability and, you know, to have a bit of shine on it as well. And then to finish it all off with, to rejuvenate the bench tops, we went with this Rust-Oleum transformation, which was extremely easy to use. I was very happy with the end result, and it sort of does give it that really smicko finish to it. So yeah, yet to finish it with the cushions and that sort of thing. But yeah, if you have a look, I'm pretty proud of myself on this one. So yeah, just thought I'd share it with everyone. Thank you.